Hi guys, today we will learn how to make wonton dumpling soup. Here I have 250 grams of pork mince. You can use other kinds of meat mince if you want. You can also add some Asian greens as well. The most common would be spring onion or coriander. Just chop it into small pieces. Then marinate with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, a quarter spoon of salt, a quarter spoon of white pepper powder. You can skip it if you don't have it at home. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the flavor. 1 egg white, which is to help combine the ingredients and enhance the texture. 1 tablespoon of cornflour. There are quite a bit of ingredients for marination, but it will make the meat very good. Then use your hands to massage well the ingredients and combine together. Massage until the filling and the pork mince become smooth and soft. It takes about a few minutes. Then set aside. You should be able to find the wonton wrappers in Asian grocery easily. The difference between wonton wrappers and other wrappers is wonton wrapper is made of egg, so you can see the wrapper is a bit yellowish. Prepare a small bowl of water. It is for wrapping the wonton dumplings. Place the wrapper on your hands and have one corner facing upward. The wrapper is in square shape. Then get a teaspoon of filling and then put it in the middle of the wrapper. Don't be too greedy, 1 teaspoon is enough. Otherwise, the filling will be too big for wrapping. Slightly wet the upper edges of the wrapper. It helps the skin to stick to each other. Then fold the wrapper to make a triangular shape. Then fold the both corners towards the middle. The more you practice, the faster you can wrap a dumpling. You don't have to be perfect. As long as the skin sticks together, then this is fine. The portion for this recipe is about 25 dumplings, which is about half of the wonton wraps. Then prepare a pot of boiling water and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of chicken powder to make the stocks. After that, place the wonton into the boiling water one by one. Just don't overcrowd the pot. Just do it in different batches if necessary. If it is overcrowded, the dumplings will stick together. Simmer the dumplings and stir the dumplings from time to time, because the skin may tend to stick at the bottom. Once the dumplings are floating on the pot, then they are cooked. It takes about 5 minutes. Then now you can transfer it to the serving plate. You can make extra dumplings and then place them in a container. Firstly, place it separately and make sure the dumplings do not stick to each other. Then put them into the freezer. Once they are frozen, put them into a plastic bag, which can save a lot of space for your freezer. And then you can put them in the freezer and have them anytime within 2 months. The most important is choose the white wrappers because there are different kinds of dumplings wrappers you can find in the Asian grocery. The wonton wrappers usually is more flavorful because of the egg compared with other plain wrappers. Enjoy!